Hello, all of my fabulous friends. It is so lovely to see you because if you saw the thumbnail, then you know it's about the October Boxycharm. So I actually received the Boxycharm and I received it today in the mail, and it's not even been 8 weeks since I ordered it. So can we have a moment like bravo, bravo? Anyways, yeah, super excited. Still have had no resolve on the free gift upon signing, but I'm waiting for a response, so hopefully I get. But I am just so excited because I didn't watch any spoilers, and I really wanted to just open this October 2022 Boxycharm base box subscription with you and share all of my goodies. So yes, I definitely chopped all my hair off. It's something that I do usually for winter time. And to be fair, like it was meant to be done months ago in preparation for the fall and winter. But my hairstylist, she's very good and she's very popular. But she's recently gotten into the hair extensions, not recently, like the last couple of years. She's built up quite a large clientele. And if you know anything about those, which I know very little because I've never had them, they're A, very expensive, 2, the initial set, I guess, of extensions takes a really long time, depending on like how long your hair is. But they're very profitable for the hairstylists and the hair salons. So I work shift work, and it was very difficult to try. I just eventually had to just like look further down the schedule and finally make this appointment today on a day off. So anyways, so this is my hair. She does a great job of just kind of giving me low lights and giving me kind of a graduated bob. She knows that I like the beachy waves, so she put those in today, but it is already almost 9 o'clock my time, so it's pretty late on this Wednesday. But yeah, I just love it. I just feel like so much more me with kind of like mid-length hair, and anyways, just feeling myself. Did a little cat eye. Still got the Merit Beauty on because I am just loving and rocking and feeling the freedom of a very minimalistic but healthy looking skin. So thank you, Merit Beauty. Well, should I say thank me, because I purchased them all with my own money. I'm so excited. And of course, I don't need to tell you, it's a monthly subscription that you fill out a beauty profile like them all, and then you get to choose one of the 5 full-size items that come in this box. So with a beauty box, I like to give it like, it seems like I have kind of a routine of 2 to 3 years. But if you saw my first Boxycharm, which was the September box, and I will definitely put a link to that video for you, it was just a bit of a hot mess. And then there was a sign-up gift. Anyways, I don't want to rehash it. Didn't get the sign-up gift. Didn't get my first box for over 8 weeks. It was a whole thing, but I actually really loved that box. I loved it. So again, I will link that up top. It's part of that rant Boxycharm video if you care to watch. But this is box number 2, and I'm really excited. And there is a theme. So like Ipsy, you know, the theme would be on a card, and then you would get like a theme makeup bag. Obviously, you don't get the makeup bag. You have the box. It always says, if it's the base box, it's red, and it always says Boxycharm. It always says Hello Charmers right here. Always contains the items that you chose along with their suggested retail price. And it has the theme, and the theme is, what is the theme? It's obviously Halloween, and it just basically says everything will be under your spell. So there it is there. Very mystic symbols. The skin ink, that's what it's called. It feels very heavy. And it's kind of cute, just a little packaging. Ooh, look at that. Wow, that is incredibly beautiful packaging. Wow, so obviously some type of like, you know what it reminds me of? You know, when Tati did the review on the, what was it? The Guerlain, Guerlain, you know, with they had the suspended gold flakes in like that primer. It says it retails for $50. Wow. Well, I love the packaging. If you can kind of see, it's rose gold, and then it has like this clear gel. So there it is there. You can't see. It's just very clear. It doesn't really have, like, it has that kind of like, you know, facial ingredient smell. I love the packaging. This one is by the company, The Beauty Crop. I was going to say The Beauty Shop, but it's called The Beauty Crop, and it's called Stuck on You. This is an $18 MRSP, and it's an eyeshadow primer. There we go. There's this. I'm just going to see. This is, okay, that makes sense. It is a doe foot applicator. Just gonna put that out. Yep, that looks like your standard eyeshadow primer. It's nice and just kind of lays down a base to slap on all those wonderful colors and creations that we like to play with. So, okay, what's this one? This one is half caked as opposed to half baked. Complexion combination. It's got a little star, cute little packaging. So let's just open that up. Looks like a complexion brush of some kind. Let me pull it out. Oh, okay, that's very nice, like that. That is a brush, yep. This looks to be a complexion brush, so let's pop this out. That's very nice. It's got a nice solid wooden handle. That is nice, like, it's not like cheap plastic, it's definitely wood. As you can see, it looks like synthetic fibers. It's very soft, like ultra, ultra soft. And that is quite beautiful. Yeah, that looks like a beautiful synthetic brush, like for putting on. It's a little bit small for a complexion or foundation brush, but I'm not mad at it. You know, could be good because now with Merit Beauty, although it came with an amazing brush, I've got a lot of cream products. This is another little brush, and this would be the concealer brush. Yeah, so there's one for complexion and one concealer brush. Obviously complexion, oh, that's annoying. There's like one hair that's stuck up in there. And there's this one, so I'm gonna assume this is the concealer brush. I am not mad at this. And look at the beautiful sort of pastel lilac color. That's really pretty. The ferrules look really good. Like they don't feel flimsy. $25. And I think that's a very reasonable amount of money in US dollars to pay for two nice brushes. So again, bonus. It is by Toy Factory. Toy Factory. Never heard of Toy Factory. Must be a new brand. Super set. Okay, it is a super setting spray of some kind. There, you can see it there. This must have given, yeah, this gave the box a lot of weight. This is heavy, this item. Vegan, cruelty-free. Look at that. Wow, love the packaging. Hey, I kind of like the colors sort of go with my my backdrop. Okay, so this is Toy Co, and it's a super setting sort of, it says setting spray. That's exactly what it says. It's got this heavy duty sort of plastic lid. It actually kind of looks glass almost, doesn't it? But it's not. So let me do a spray. I don't have a lot of makeup on, just my minimalistic, which I wouldn't, but I'm just going to move my Blue Yeti away, and I'm just going to give this a spray. It's not exactly micro small sprays, but it does have a certain smell to it. It smells, I wouldn't say it smells like cotton candy, but it smells something along that line. That's quite interesting. Actually, let me just open it and just see if I can get another sniff of that. No, not cotton candy. I'm not sure what the smell is that I'm smelling, but it quickly dissipates. It's not like heavy perfume. It's not like a floral scent. Did it make me look really just beautiful all over? Do I have more of a glow? So yes, it's a hyaluronic setting spray, and it retails for $24. So, yeah, I think right, because there's the Continuum Mist Morphe setting spray that I like, and that's $19.99. I will definitely use it, and I will let you know in a sort of Boxycharm follow-up, but wow, that was quite a wait. I'm like, when it comes to anything in bubble wrap. I said, because when I used to get Ipsy, anything in bubble wrap was usually some kind of compact. This is so exciting because there was 2 things in bubble wrap in my first box. There was the Ace Beauté, that was the green and purple sage and violet eyeshadow palette, which is really fun, and I did kind of just like a quick look. And then there was the Ciate bamboo bronzer. Ooh, Ciate of London. This is clearly another palette. This is called the Spice palette. And I do love Ciate of London. So on the back, it shows, obviously, this is a 9-pan eyeshadow with the names back there. That is lovely. Okay, this is looking promising. We've got like gold here. Wow, you guys, look at that. That is really nice. It's just plastic packaging, but I'm just living. Like, look, it's almost matching my lip color. Okay, shall we open it and see what we got? Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Whoops, here is the eyeshadow protector. This is the actual compact. It has a beautiful mirror, and then you guys, check out the colors. Oh my goodness, and the pan size. Absolutely beautiful. You know what that reminds me of? That reminds me of, I didn't buy any of Wayne Goss's eyeshadow palettes, but didn't he have something very similar to this? But I have to swatch the 3, so I'm just going to swatch. There's those 3 right here. So I'm going to swatch the lightest one first. Feels very, whoa. Wow. Ooh, that is pretty. That is sparkalicious, like a true champagne. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this next shade right there that I'm really excited about. Oh, wow. Ooh, look at that, you guys. Okay, there's that one. Whoa. Oh, I love the colors of that. That is just so warm, like hints of kind of reddish burgundy dancing around a kind of an amber gold. Wow. Is this really beautiful warm red one. Great. Wow. Okay. You got me at hello. Wow, there they are. So there's the 3 metallics there. Swatch just a couple of mattes because I am planning to do like a look on every palette that I get from Boxycharm. The Spice palette, I don't even remember hearing about it. Whoa, that is just so pigmented. Whoa, you guys. That is amazing. That was that center color there. They feel so incredibly like creamy, the mattes. Smooth, silky, creamy. Okay, that's a little bit lighter, but obviously as a transitional shade, you could build it up. Again, it's just beige. So yeah, it's like a fawn beige, as you can see. So there's a couple of mattes, 3 mattes there, and 3 of their metallics. I think that palette, totally unexpected, is absolutely, look at my fingers now, they're all red. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like, I just cannot get over the pan size. I have another Ciate of London palette. It's, is it a 9? I think it's a 9-pan. Similar packaging, very similar. You know, square compact, really good mirror. But it's not, yeah, there's not the pan size like this. Wow. What a completely shocker palette. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm so glad that I didn't cheat. I didn't watch anybody else's. Now I'm going to be watching some to see what everybody else got. But Ciate of London, wow, very nice. But that palette, I'm definitely going to link all the links below, just because, you know, sometimes you'll watch these videos and then you don't want to actually receive Boxycharm, but you'll see a product. Like if I saw this, I would definitely want to do a follow-up to watch videos of how it performs. And then definitely because of the color story, I'd be wanting to check out Ciote of London to see how much this is just on its own. So I will do that down below, as I always do or have been doing. Certainly this year, that's kind of the goal, is to properly link everything down below so that you know. And I will also link, of course, what I'm wearing, because I am wearing, like I said, Merit Beauty, and I'm just really, like I said, loving that very bougie makeup, no makeup look, this minimalistic makeup look that I find just really just lets my skin scream out, is the star of the show instead of the makeup. But don't get me wrong, I am still a full glam girl when it is called for, and I am here for the makeup. I'm loving the makeup. That's why we're all here, right? So anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this. This was just so fun because I so wasn't expecting it. I really thought I'd be getting my Boxycharm like the last day in October, if I got it at all. I will still keep you up to date as to what's happening if Boxycharm tries to right the wrong in my Boxycharm rant video. But if you haven't seen it, it's a bit of a rant, but I did really love that box, so it's not a full video of me going off on Boxycharm, that's for sure. So if you want to watch that, I will link that as well. And as I always say at the end of all my videos, I certainly hope that you have an absolutely fabulous week, and I hope that you will all stay safe, make good choices, and don't forget always to radiate your beauty. Until next time, you guys, take care. Thanks so much for watching.